In this video, we will learn how to draw random samples from the binomial distribution. Okay, in our terminal, we type IPython, and let's import numpy as np. So to do this, we type np.random.binomial with the number of trials and the probability of success. So in 10 tries, it succeeded 5 times. If we run that again, it succeeds 6 times. Let's do np.random.binomial. This time we'll do 10 trials, but with probability of 0.8, and we'll run this 10 different times. So the first time it had 9 successes, the second time it had 7, and so on. So we have this array of different number of trials. So let's use this to estimate the probability that 20 coin flips will all end up as heads. So we'll type estimate is equal to the sum of np.random.binomial. We'll do 20 coin flips with 50% probability of ending up on heads, and we'll run that 1,000,000 times and sum up the number of times that it hit all 20 heads. And we'll divide that by 1,000,000 to get back of estimate probability. And that ran pretty quick, so let's see what it was. 5 times 10 to the negative 6. Or in other words, very, very low probability that you get 20 heads in a row. So there you have it. That is how you can draw random samples from the binomial distribution in Python.